Most plants are pollinated by insects such as bees, butterflies, and wasps. Insects and plants have a mutual relationship. They both need each other to survive. The plant needs a pollinator and the insect needs food. Insects are attracted to flowers by color, scent, and specific arrangement of petals. Petals have a special structure called honey guides to guide the insect to the stigma. The filaments holding the anther are short and stiff so the pollen can be taken when the insect brushes past. Sweet-smelling nectar does not always attract insects. Plants pollinated by flies smell like rotting meat. Male wasps are attracted to flowers that have the same scent as female wasps, and bees are attracted to all colors except red. Many flowers are long and thin. Only butterflies, moths, birds, and honey eaters with long tube mouths can reach the nectar. The pollen can be sticky or powdery, so large amounts of nectar are produced. The bottlebrush, callistemon, is bird-pollinated. Flowers that are wind-pollinated have no petals or small white, green, or brown petals. The anther is usually on a long filament extending into the air, so many very light pollen can be released and are blown from flower to flower. Wind-pollinated plants do not have bright colors of nectar and are normally grouped in clusters at the top of the plant. Casuarinas, she oaks, native pines, and grasses such as porcupine grass use wind pollination. Matured seeds are dispersed over the countryside ready for germination and need to be very far from the parent plant to grow. Small seeds such as orchid seeds can be carried by the wind. Heavier seeds can be dispersed by the wind if it has wings or some other way to float. For example, dandelions have feathery parachutes to catch the wind and float away. Hakea and banksia seeds have wings. Animals are essential to the dispersal of fruit and seeds. Dry fruits and seeds have hooks and burrs with bristles and spines to attach to the coats of animals, such as bindi and Bathurst burr. Other seeds are eaten by animals and are passed through the digestive system unharmed and drop onto the trees or ground. Brightly colored fruits and berries attract animals. Many water plants produce seeds that float and eventually wash up on the shore like coconuts or sink like water lilies. Native violets and wattle seeds have an elysum, an oily body to attract ants to disperse seeds. Asexual reproduction is when the parent and its offspring are genetically identical. Many plants reproduce asexually. Spinifex grass has long stems called stolons or runners that grow along the surface producing new leaves and roots at each node. If parts are broken off, the stolons can grow a new plant. Tubers are underground stems that store food used by plants to survive extreme conditions. New plants can grow from the tuber. For example, a potato is a tuber and the eye of the potato is buds, which can grow into a new potato plant. Suckers are new shoots that arise from roots or underground stems. Several Australian plants reproduce by suckers, such as several Dampiria, Scaevola striata, and Goodea lotifolia. Reeds and wattles can grow quickly to cover areas after the previous populations have been removed.